Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make granola. For this recipe you need dry and wet ingredients. For the dry ingredients you need 400 grams of whole oats, you need mixed nuts, we need cashew nuts, peanuts, hazelnuts and almond nuts. Next to that we need trail mix of raisins, cranberries, pistachios and prunes. We need a cocktail mix of kiwi, coconut slices, prunes and apricots. We need some nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder and salt. The first thing we need to do is add all of the oats to a clean bowl. Next to that, we need to add the mixed nuts to the oats. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder, and as an option, you can add 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. Next, we need to mix all the dry ingredients together and set it aside. For the next stage, we need to prepare our wet ingredients. All we need at this stage is coconut oil and honey. To a clean bowl, add 100 ml of coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix this together and add some few drops of vanilla flavor if you so desire. Next, we need to add the wet mixture to the dry mixture. Stir this properly, and once this is done, your granola is ready for baking. Spread the mixture in a greased baking pan or tray and set your oven to 200 degrees centigrade. Bake it for 20 minutes. Ensure while you're baking, you're stirring it every 4 minutes so it doesn't burn out. Once this is done, cool it and add your trail and cocktail mix. Guess what? You can pack this in an airtight container and enjoy. Serve this as a topping with your favorite yogurt, smoothies and parfait. You can snack on it as a breakfast cereal. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in my next one. My name is Christabel.